What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? Welcome back. So today I'm making for you a Long Island iced tea with a bit of a difference. If you saw on the thumbnail, we're flipping it on its head. Tom Dyer! And I'm going to show you how you can pour all four of the spirits at the same time in the Long Island. Now, I know some people will be saying there's 5 spirits in the Long Island. You've got gin and tequila and triple sec and rum and vodka. Well, I make my Long Islands without the tequila because I don't think gin and tequila go very well together, and I think it tastes better without. Completely your choice. However you want to make it, it's totally up to you. I'm not saying that this is the correct way. I'm not saying this is the classic way. I'm just saying that this is the best way. You shouldn't do it any other way. How's it going there, new viewer? So a lot of people who watch these videos haven't subscribed to the channel. Now what you can do is you can subscribe to this channel by clicking the little subscribe button and clicking on that little bell so you get notifications. Anyway, so we're gonna make this in what we call a Catalina glass. We wanna start cooling this glass down. So I'm gonna put crushed ice just to get that glass as cold as possible. And I'm gonna show you how to pour all 4 of these spirits at the same time. So we've got rum, vodka, triple sec, gin. So there's a few ways you can do this. Now, if you've got big enough hands like me, you can put 3 bottles together like this, okay? With those, you can grab around all 3 like this. And then what you do, you release those 3 fingers. So you've got the grab of those 3 together. You release those 3 and you put the 4th one in there. And then you can come and make a pour. Now what I'm doing is with the shaker, I'm going to use the shaker to hold onto the bottles. So as I come up, oh yes. So as I pour, I come up and I lean the bottles onto the shaker, and then I bounce, and as I come down, I continue with the shaker and swipe down. Okay, I'll show you one other way that you can do it. If you've got smaller hands, you might find it easier. Now the trick is to try and get bottles which are fairly small, like thin and tall. So the beefeater one here isn't helping me, but it should be okay. So we're gonna grab one there, one in this finger, one in this finger, and one in our little finger, like this. So we have all 4 bottles, and see how the pour spouts all come together? Oh, they come together like a family. Now, at this point, you wanna pick up the shaker in a tennis grab it like this, okay? And you're gonna come up, again, same pour, and as you come down, so the tin's gonna be like this, as you come down, you have to turn the tin over. So you come up, boom. Boom. So we've got 1 Long Island in here and 1 Long Island in here. Now I'm gonna put them together and we'll make 2. Actually, we'll make a Long Island iced tea and we'll make a Long Beach iced tea. So we have all of our white spirits in there. Now we need some lemony juice. So we cut that lemon in half. Slightly deformed lemon. We'll cut off these ends. Cut that lemon in half. And then we're just gonna squeeze all these lemon directly into the drink. Now, when you're using the Mexican elbow, you don't want to annihilate the lemon and like squeeze it until you can't get anything more out of it, because what you'll do is you'll then just squeeze all the oils from the skin of the lemon into the drink, and you'll give it this kind of bitter taste. So you wanna squeeze quite hard and fast, just so you can get the juice. Then we need a nice measure of sugar syrup. Okie dokie. So we're going to do something slightly different. Now, normally you top the Coke on top of the Long Island. I'm doing a Long Beach iced tea, which is with cranberry juice. And I'm doing a Long Island iced tea, which is with cola. So we just fill it up to about there. And now we can strain this on top gently. And we should hopefully we should hopefully get a nice layered effect on top. Now we're finishing with a lemon wedge in this bad boy. And in the Long Beach iced tea, we're gonna put a lime wedge just up in the top, right there. Finish off with a straw on, try not to destroy our lovely layery goodness. And there we have Long Island iced tea, Long Beach iced tea, looking sexy, looking fabulous. Hey presto, super easy, very simple to make. Now, I'm hoping that you guys are gonna give this one a shot at home. Try it out, let me know how you get on with it. They're super simple drinks to make and they taste awesome. All right, let's have a quick try. Wonderful, absolutely delicious. And oh, I haven't had a Long Beach iced tea in a long time. And I forgot how good it is actually. Let me know how you make your Long Islands and what variations you've come up with yourself. Give them a shot, try them out, tag me on Instagram, go and check me out over there. I'm gonna be posting videos every day at the moment because we are on lockdown or in quarantine. So I'll be here every single day posting out videos on flair, bartending, cocktails or whatever it may be. But I'm gonna go and drink these bad boys. And until next time, I'll see you tomorrow. What I'm gonna show you very quickly is after everything is done, I have to break down. I do clean all my own shit. Okay, cue the time lapse.